Good morning, class 5. Welcome to your online science class. Today we are at the end of the chapter, and as I have told you in the last day that today we are going to discuss the exercise of the book and the probable questions. So before I start the question and answers, I must say that before going through the question and answer and all, you must read the chapters very thoroughly, because the spellings are different. You have to by heart the spelling, because if you are wrong in spelling, then we are bound to cut or deduct marks from your answer. Okay, understood? So exercise page 29, multiple choice question. A, which of this is not required by a plant to make its food? Carbon dioxide, B water, C electricity, and D sun. So the answer will be 1. The answer is C, electricity, isn't it? Number 2, animals cannot breathe, lay eggs, grow, make their own food. So the answer will be D. Animals cannot make their own food. Isn't it? As we have seen in the chapter, as we were doing, that plants can prepare their own food, but animals cannot. They have to depend on other plants and animals for survival, as they depend for their food on other animals, right? Number 3, which of this is made of a single cell? Ant, snake, amoeba, and seed. We all know the answer will be amoeba. Be very perfect in writing the spelling of amoeba. Amoeba. Okay, don't make amoeba or ameba. No, amoeba. Okay, be very correct in writing the spellings. Number 4, which of these will not reproduce? Dog, peacock, stone, and neem tree. Because we know that all living animals, living creatures, they used to reproduce. Only the stone is a non-producing material, which is non-living things in nature, that is C, stone. You don't have to copy this in your book. It's a classwork copy. You write it in your book with the help of a pencil. That will be better. Next, we will proceed to breathe. Now the B, I think you all have written the exercise 1. Now we will go to unscramble the letters to form word. Now unscramble means the letters of a word are scrambled. You have to arrange it. So living things, number 1, living things need air, water, and finally food. Okay, so the 3 answers will be air, water, and food. Number 2, plants have dash in their leaves. It helps them to make their food. What green pigment we have mentioned? It is chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL. So be very correct in writing the spelling chlorophyll. Using food, sunlight. Next is sunlight. And finally it is carbon dioxide. CARBON dioxide. OXIDE. Number 3, animals dash by giving birth to babies or by laying eggs. That is reproduce. Number 3 answer is reproduce. So please write all the answers in your book. First, fill in the blanks. Number 1, there are 3 blanks: air, water, and food. Number 2, chlorophyll, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. And number 3, I have missed one, fill in the blanks. Number 2, there is another one, that is number 2, you will write photosynthesis. The process, as I have told you, the process is called photosynthesis. PHOTOSYNTHESIS. So be very correct. So in number 2 there are 4 blanks. First one is chlorophyll, second one is sunlight, third one is carbon dioxide, and the fourth one is photosynthesis, and number 3 is reproduce. So next we will go to the question number C. Question number C. See what is written. Number C. Mark tick or true and cross for false statement. All plants can make their own food. It is true or false? It is false, because all plants, non-green plants, we have read that they are unable of making fruits because they do not have the pigment called chlorophyll. So C1 will be false or incorrect, isn't it? Yes. Number 2, all animals depend on plants for their food. All animals depend on plants for their food. Is it correct? No. All animals do not depend on plants, because they also eat, some animals are there, those who eat flesh of other animals. So all animals depend on plants for their food. It is also incorrect or false. Number 3, some living things are made up of only one cell. It is true. We have read about amoeba. So the answer is correct. Number 4, all plants and animals grow old and die. It is also true, because as the age will be more, as they will be elder, they will lose their strength and they will ultimately die. That we have read in the characteristics, isn't it? So the answer for all plants and animals grow old and die is true and correct. Number 5, only animals can respond to changes in the environment. No, it is incorrect, because not only animals, plants also can react to the environment. When they are put in a darker place, they used to slowly move towards the sunlight. So the statement is incorrect. Okay, so here we will write it is false. Next, give one example. A non-living things that can move on its own. A non-living things, they cannot move on its own. It is a wrong statement. So you will write nothing in place of it. A living organism that grow old on dead plants and animals. The answer B will be mushroom. It is 2, and next is 3. 3 is a living things that is made up of only one cell. It will be amoeba. In the fill in the blanks also you have done. And finally, the 4th one, a plants that respond when touched, touch me not. The answer will be touch me not. So these are all small questions from this chapter. Now I will go to the, as I have told you in the previous class, that this chapter is having one special question that you will get in PDF. In the last PDF you will get, that is the difference between living and non-living things, and mostly what are the characteristics of living things, and finally why grouping things is important, because in our environment there are different types of things, isn't it? Some are living, some are non-living. So how to categorize and how to differentiate among them, that we will do. And that question can also come, that why only green plants can prepare their food, because the green plants, everything you will get in PDF, don't worry, we are just discussing, we are at the discussion. And why the reason is behind that is, only the green plants are having the green pigment called chlorophyll, and with the help of that chlorophyll, sunlight and mineral water and air of carbon dioxide from the air, the green plants are able of making food. That is why non-green plants, those who are not having the green pigment called chlorophyll, they are unable of making their own food. So they have to depend on other foods, other animals and vegetables to they grow on other animals or rotten food or like that, and they used to receive their food. So these are the all question and answer. Characteristics, all the characteristics you will write from 1 to 6, all the characteristics, and you will try to write it in a brief way, as I will give you in the PDF with an example. It is always, I have told you that in case of science it is compulsory to write the definition of the so give a example of anything. If you are not able of writing example, it can decrease your marks. It is also highly important to draw in case of science, but okay, giving example is more important. So this is all about the chapter. In the next class we will continue, we will start with a new chapter. Thank you very much.